Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to get cheap Spotify premium subscription. You can get a cheap Spotify subscription by using official discount plan, student plan, family duo, or by reasonable price differences, sometimes with the help of VPN as well. So first of all, you could go with the student plan. So for that, you want to open up your browser, type in student plan, or you could also do is go to Spotify on your app, open the app, log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you could click onto the premium section at the bottom right, and you have these try 1 month for $0, as well as you'll be able to find individual, and then here comes the student plan. You can click on the student plan and follow on the on-screen prompt in order to get the cheap Spotify premium subscription. Next is the family plan. So this plan covers up a six individual account for a single monthly price, provided all members live at the same address. Splitting the total cost among all the user makes the per person price much cheaper than individual plan as well. Other one is a duo plan, so designed for two people living at the same address. The duo plan is a cheaper alternative to two separate individual account as well. So this way you should be able to get a cheaper cheap Spotify premium subscription. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.